In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt to Clickup. To begin, open Clickup in your browser and go to the specific list where you normally work. This part is just to get you into the right workspace, so you can reach the settings area from inside your account. Once you are in Clickup, look toward the top corner of the interface for your account icon, which may appear as a small circle with an initial. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your Clickup workspace, where Clickup keeps administrative options and developer tools. Inside Settings, find and click Clickup API. This section is where Clickup manages API access and services that other tools can use to communicate with your workspace. After you open the Clickup API section, click on Clickup MCP service. This is part of the connection pathway that supports integrations, and it leads you into the area where API-related options are organized. Next, click Clickup API settings. This page contains the specific configuration options you need in order to allow an external app, like Chatgpt, to connect properly. From there, click API tokens. This is an important area, because API tokens control access to your Clickup data. Treat anything you see here as private and do not share it publicly. Now switch over to Chatgpt in another tab. From the Chatgpt home screen, click Apps. This opens the app directory where you can find official integrations. In the search bar, type Clickup so the results filter down to the Clickup app. When you see Clickup in the results, click it to open the app page. On the Clickup app page in Chatgpt, click Connect. This starts the authorization process so Chatgpt can link to your Clickup account. Follow the prompt and click Connect Clickup to continue. At this point, the system will guide you through granting the required permissions so the connection can be completed successfully. Once that connection is confirmed, Chatgpt and Clickup are linked, and you can begin using the integration based on the permissions you approved. And that is all there is to it.